Okay, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you a better look at the lower and upper Type R grill with the ABC cover. The Canadian Fire had my last video looking very foggy. Today's Civic duty is an exciting one, being a racing style fender installation. We have to remove the rocker panel, the front bumper, the headlights, and a fender. Then put on a new fender, put back on the rocker panel, the headlights, and a front bumper. You see this one, this square is actually supposed to be bigger than this square. Like this is the OEM one right here. And you can see this square is slightly bigger than this square. So we're just matching up the squares, and then we're gonna match up all the other holes and put it on. On this side, it fits a little funny right by the headlight because when I was putting everything back together, my lifting weights too much ass broke the clip trying to get it aligned. It's just a bracket to the fender, so that's about $20 to replace. But that is the only problem I had in doing these fenders. It seems like a lot of work, but it's really not. It's just a lot of work of small things, taking off your bumper, your headlight, rocker panel, and then your fenders, and then putting it back in the order, in a reverse order. So putting your rocker panel back on, the bumper back on, the headlight, and then the fenders. And if you're going to do these racing style fenders, I would recommend watching 717 Project fender install, because he did a good job on showing me how to do it. The only difference I did, and I recommend everyone else do, is to cross-reference 717 with DIY Honda, how to remove your rocker panel video, how to remove your fender video, and how to remove your front bumper and headlight video. Once you watch all of that on DIY Honda, then go over to 717, watch his fender install, and then you have all the knowledge you need to do it yourself. And that concludes my Civic duty. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned.